Hello students, I hope you are all fine. During this pandemic situation, please stay at home and learn a new skill. I, Amar Singh, Assistant Professor in IT Department, help to create a new skill. Today's my topic is Introduction to the Blockchain. That one is the part one. So there is we divide the blockchain into a two part or introduction to the two part. First one is the part where why we use blockchain, in which field blockchain can be used, and what the future aspect for the blockchain. And later on, we in the next part we use the how blockchain can be implemented or how blockchain can be looked by the customer. Before we move on to the field of the blockchain, what is the meaning of the blockchain? These are the field where blockchain can be used. So blockchain technology is used in a financial sector, digital sector, education sector, logistics sector, health sector, energy sector, blockchain in agriculture and land registration. As we all of know that these are the sector, land registration sector and financial sector. Which one is the cryptocurrency? Blockchain implement extensively. I think these are the 5G technology in which we can implement, or these are the untouched technology in the later on. So in the next 5 years we see the broad area of the blockchain. So these are the area in which blockchain will grow extensively or exponential rate. So before we move on to the blockchain, which state implement or just to implement a blockchain. So in Andhra Pradesh, it implement the blockchain database, cyber security, healthcare, land registry and vehicle registration. In Assam state, it is used for the public service delivery. In Delhi, this one is the used for the monitoring growth and maintenance for the sampling. And in Goa, this one is used for the land registry, fertilizer and e-governance. So these are the state in which these are the number of the state which can be implement or will be implement in future blockchain, because blockchain is nothing but a security point of view. It's the best technology. Student, as we all of see that the state is adopting blockchain technology in a different field. Karnataka is also one of them, in which they adopt the agriculture field, digital certificate field, forest and land acquisition and marketplace. Let's move on to the Kerala part. Kerala adopt the agriculture and insurance part. And last but not the least is the Maharashtra. Maharashtra used the extensively in land registry, digital certificate, organ transplant, national distribution and farm insurance. The land registration where we can be implement this can be implement 100% in the Maharashtra. So before we move on to the what is the meaning of the blockchain and why blockchain can be implemented, so let's check the what are the career opportunity in blockchain. So blockchain is, as we all of know that the blockchain is the future technology in which we can be used or within a use, or it can be exploited in future with number of the jobs. So these are the list of the job current scenario. There are the blockchain developer, Bitcoin cryptocurrency developer, blockchain software engineer, blockchain principal program manager, business analyst association, cloud engineering with Bitcoin, blockchain and cryptocurrency analyst and cryptocurrency developer, cryptocurrency mining engineer and final analyst. So these are the technology where the career opportunity can be enhanced, or there can be the technology where the career opportunity can be done. So before we move on to the what is the blockchain. So blockchain, why blockchain called? Blockchain can be described as a data structure that can hold the transaction record and ensuring the security and transparency and decentralization. It implement the process of peer to peer. Okay, again I told you this is the peer to peer process. Okay, so blockchain is a collection of an block. Blockchain is a data structure, store the data transaction. It store the one or more transaction. Block can also be referenced to the previous block, and last the block also be referenced with the timestamp. We can see in later on how blockchain can be implemented and what was the technology behind that blockchain. So it used the process of the decentralization computing and information. There is a process of centralization and decentralization. Currently we use the centralized process, but blockchain changed the scenario into the decentralization process, in which one user can guarantee the another user. So these are the decentralized technology in which the sharing platform and enable the multiple authoritative domains which do not trust each other, cooperate and coordinate. The blockchain is a chain of the block that contain the information or info data. So as you all know, there are the categorized into the three categories: centralized category, decentralized category and distributed category. In today's scenario we use the client server approach. They are completely implemented by the centralized or decentralized approach. Centralized approach is that there is just one server and multiple as multiple nodes or multiple people. So these are the dotted represent in a centralized technology is the node, and the star part in the middle is represent the server. So these are the centralized. Decentralized is also the extended version of the client server approach. As we all of know that the Facebook, Twitter, and they are the wide area of the server in which there is a server in Delhi, in a server in a US, server in China, server in Pakistan. So these are the server, and their node is connected. Node is number of the peoples or number of the district which will be connected. So these are the decentralized. These are the extended version of the centralized version. Why we use decentralized use? The decentralized is used because if it depend on the not only depend upon the one it depend upon the all of 4 or 5, or it distributed the crunch of the data or crunch of the server into another platform. If one server can be problem, then it can be overlooked or it can be access to the another server. So these are the centralized server. Let's move on to the distributed servers. So these are the distributed technology used by the blockchain. I first again tell you distributed technology is again used by the blockchain. It is a peer-to-peer connection. So how to add this connection? If 51%, suppose there is a 10 node, if 6 node agree to enter a new block, then this is they completely depend upon the democracy, or there are the certification, there are the technology in which we can be use the peer-to-peer distribution technology we can use. So nothing but everyone execute the job. Centralized and decentralized used for the client server approach. The new blockchain technology can be used for the distributed technology. Okay, so let's move on to the each transaction of a blockchain is secured with a digital signature and prove its authenticity. Due to use of the encryption in digital signature, the data stored in the blockchain is a tampered food or cannot be changed. So let's move on, student. Before we wrap up our first video, let's look on to the history of the blockchain. The history of the blockchain is started from 1991 as language. There is a Haber and Scott. These are the white paper in which the first time the blockchain is introduced. For that, how the blockchain can be implemented or this can be created, it's later on. But the first white paper is published by the Haber and Scott in 1991. So in the end of 2009, the name is called the Satoshi Nakamoto. He is a founding member of the Bitcoin. As we all of know that what is the meaning of the Bitcoin and how the Bitcoin can change the whole scenario of the cryptocurrency. So Satoshi Nakamoto is the one who introduced the Bitcoin, who introduced the cryptocurrency or Bitcoin currency. So let's check who is the Satoshi Nakamoto. Satoshi Nakamoto is a fake name as a person who developed a Bitcoin or authorized to be a Bitcoin to be a white paper. So it's maybe a Satoshi Nakamoto. It's not maybe a person is Satoshi Nakamoto. These are the so 2009 is the major part of it, blockchain, in which Bitcoin can be introduced, and it take a revolutionary part. So Satoshi introduced a cryptocurrency which is the one of the best cryptocurrency till now is Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is the next we move on to the 2015. There is a widely which can be introduced, the Ethereum is use the concept of cryptocurrency as well as a smart contract. So first of all, who is Vitalik? He is a 15-year-old guy, Canadian guy, who can be introduced this one, who can be introduced the Ethereum, and he's a very good programmer also. They introduced the both part. The first one is the cryptocurrency part, and next one is the smart contract. So what is the meaning of the smart contract? I take an example of the smart contract. If we buy something and condition are true, then automatically it is deducted. Or if a condition is not or does not to be deducted the money. Let's take an example of user case. If a user is search, if a balance is $150, then it auto deduct for $50 to that, because $100 is an our threshold for that. If the balance is not reached, then it doesn't deduct that. So the problem of the start contract, or these are the way the start contract can be created. So last but not the least is 2017 IBM introduced the one of the platform for creating the smart contract. This is the B2B contract, business to business contract. Business to business contract means if a Dell want to sell their system to the Kite College, or Kite want to sell to their Dell. So these are the business to business technology. So let's take the opportunity for going to the next part. That one is the lab experiment, because as we all of know that the lab is a very important aspect. So in the end or in the next we will implementing using crypto system, creating crypto payment option using internet connected environment, designing a smart contract and deploying the blockchain, and implementing the various blockchain user case, building decentralized application. That one is also called the tabs. So these are the lab experiment which we perform in a later on. Students, if you have any query regarding this video, please comment on comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Stay safe. Thank you.